So what we've entered these 3 lines, and Audrey, or whoever's watching this, pause this right now, go into your graphing calculator and enter these 3 lines. And then set your window so you can see all 3 points of intersection. All right, now I'm going to go back to my calculator. To find the first point of intersection, I did second, calculate, and then just enter, 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 and that gave me this bottom vertice of our triangle. Now I need to find these 2. So what I'm going to do is this. Second, calculate. Same exact thing, but I'm going to do 5. Now, in this case, I do not want to do the first line and the second line. And if you do enter, 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 it's going to do first line and second line. So what I'm going to do, see this arrow right here? I'm going to jump that up. Do you see how that took me to the 3rd line? Now I'm going to hit enter. See how it gave me another line? I don't care which one it is because I started with my 3rd line. Enter, enter. There's that point of intersection. So this point of intersection right up here is 1.09 and 6.82. Notice I'm rounding to the highest. And I labeled it. Now I need to find that 3rd point of intersection. So I'm going to go back. I'm going to second, trace, intersect. Now, again, we are starting on the first curve. I'm going to jump it to the 3rd curve. Enter. Now, look what the second curve gave me. That was the same one that we just did. So I got to jump it to another one. There, oh, not 3rd. There we go. Enter. Enter. There's my 3rd point of intersection. So, my 3rd point of intersection is 13.2, comma, 4.8. So, you need to use your arrow to select a different line before you hit enter. I want you guys right now to try this on your calculator.